Hi, and welcome to the latest video from me, the Skincare Nerd. So, one of the biggest questions that people want to know from me is, how to get rid of skin tags. So, in this video, I am going to share the secret of how I got rid of my skin tags in a quick, easy pain-free way that leaves no scarring. If you are new to my channel, then make sure to subscribe, and hit the thumbs up for karma points. 2019 will be your year. I get skin tags quite often, and I know how embarrassing and unsightly they can be for people who suffer from them, so this video will be completely unbiased as I will give my opinion of this amazing, life-changing product, and I will also show some clips of other users that I have found online as well. So, let's take a look at this awesome product.
We are so pleased to announce our new product, and we are anxious to show you all its new features today. So keep watching!
There are things in life that are beyond our control. Taxes, the passage of time, aging, skin tags. Yes, many have adopted a resigned attitude towards skin tags, and you're probably one of them. Have you already reached the point where you just pretend your skin tags don't exist? And yet, no matter how hard you try to do so, the skin tags are still there, making you feel less attractive and less confident about yourself. There's no need to feel that way any longer, thanks to numerous skin tag removal products and procedures now available. But why spend so much on surgery and expensive medications when there is an all-natural, homeopathic skin tag removal system that can do it better? The Revital Skin Tag Removal will make all your skin tags go away. It works on all skin types, so you'll feel at ease even if you have sensitive skin. Best of all, it won't leave any unsightly scars or blemishes after the skin tags have been removed. There won't be any trace that they existed in the first place. Made from natural plant extracts and the potent tag remover Thuja occidentalis, you will be skin tag free with no fear of side effects or even the slightest twinge of pain. Do away with those skin tags forever and flaunt your flawless skin. For more details about Revital, click on the link below now.
Thanks for stopping by. I hope now you can see how our product will truly make your life easier.
There you have it, Revital Skin Tag Remover really can show you exactly how to get rid of skin tags, and I totally love it. Now let's take a look at what some others I have found online have to say about Revital's amazing skin tag remover.
Hey there, I just wanted to let you know about this amazing new product I checked out, Revital Skin Tag Remover. So embarrassing, I had a huge skin tag on my neck that I needed to get rid of, so I was checking through products. I mean, you wanted all the important stuff, no scarring, no pain. It's effective on all skin types. I mean, you just want it gone. So I came across Revital Skin Tag Remover, and it worked like a charm. I ordered my bottle. Within a week, it was diminished. It was gone. So I'm super happy with my results, and if you have issues with skin tags, check it out, Revital Skin Tag Remover. It's going to work for you.
I mentioned it to my herbalist, and she recommended to me this cream called Revital Skin Tag Removal Cream, and I gave it a go, and I just found it to be really the best thing that worked on those darn skin tags. It does take about 14 days to work, but hey, it works, okay? And there's no risk to it. All natural ingredients, okay? So it's really safe on your skin. And when I applied on it, it was painless. That really good smooth cream was painless on it, so that's really good.
Pretty impressive, huh? Some of the best things about Revital Skin Tag Remover are, well, first and foremost, it is an officially registered market health product that has been dermatologically tested, so you can be safe in the knowledge that it is completely safe and suitable for all skin types, even sensitive skin. It also leaves no scarring, and it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, meaning that if your skin tags don't disappear, you don't pay. I created this video because this skin tag cure has changed, not just my life, but countless thousands of others all around the world, too. My reason for wanting to get rid of my skin tags was because they were causing me depression, and stopping me from socializing. But most of all, they prevented me from reconnecting with my ex, my soulmate. What's yours? Leave a comment below. I reply to everyone. Now, don't put this off until tomorrow, because tomorrow never comes. If you have watched this video this far, then you clearly are serious about getting rid of your skin tags and changing your life. You have to think about this like you do about going to the dentist. It's annoying and can be a pain to do it, but once you take action it makes your life 100% better. You only live once. I just have to say that again, you only live once. Just take a moment to think about that. You want to have the best life you can. It was fate that you stumbled upon this video, and fate is real. So click the link in the comment and description section below and take control of your destiny today. You can do it. I believe in you.